getting the right colors for a design. Welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the right colors that matches any image you want to use for your design. Canva has made it possible for us to generate a color palette that will match any image suitable for our design. So in this video, I'm going to use this particular image. As you can see, it's an image of a man with a colored shirt. So I want to generate a color palette that will match the colors on the man's shirt. So all I have to do is to open my browser. I'm using Chrome, and visit canva.com/colors/colors. Okay, so this is it, the first one. Now this is the area where you can do all this. It says find the perfect color tool and resources for any project. Okay, so there are about 4 options here. We have the color palette generator, number 1. We have the color palette ideas, the inspirational color combinations that you can get here. We have the color wheel, and we have the color meanings. So all these have their parts to play. So but for this video, we're going to start with the color palette. So it says this is the easiest place to get colors from your photos. So all you have to do is to upload the image, and then the color palette will be generated. The colors that perfectly matches the image. Alright, so I'm uploading the image right now. I have to wait for it and be patient. Good. So the image is uploaded. Now, if you observe, the color palette has been generated, and these are the list of colors that matches our image. We have iron, we have emperor, we have the horizon. So if you observe, the color codes are there. All you have to do is to copy the color code of the particular color that you want. Okay, so I'm going to copy this color code and see possible colors that can go with it. So I've copied the color code of the last color. Now I'll go to colors. I'll go back and come down to color wheel. So I'll paste the color code here. Now the second option here says choose a color combination. So we have complementary, monochromatic, analogous, triadic, and tetradic. So you can play around with them, but I so much like the tetradic. So can you see that now? Use this combination. So you can either create a graphic to see how this combination will look like, or you can export the palette. Okay, so let's try and create a graphic and see how the color codes match together. Can you see? These are sample graphics. Can you see? Okay, let's go back. So you can also export the palette, so you can have the color codes ready for use. So you can export as PDF. Can you see that? So you save as PDF. Very good. So this is how to export the palette. So you can have the palette as a PDF and you can copy the code anytime when you're designing. So this is basically how to get colors that will match your design. So whenever you're stuck with finding the right color, all you have to do is visit canva.com/colors. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope you will not struggle again in getting the right color that matches your images in a design.